Do you want to know if WA2Club pays? What's the ban rate like on the platform and explanation of how to use the platform? This video is for you. Please stick around to the end of the video to get all the information you need. You can comment down if you have any issues, or join our WhatsApp group or WhatsApp channel where you can share your issues there, and the admins will help you. Alright. Then also you can subscribe to the channel, so turn on notification bell to get notified when we upload new updates like this. Alright, yes, that. So WA Job is part of the WhatsApp to Earn platform links. Okay, so it's a platform where you drop your WhatsApp account, you connect it to them, and they give you money in return for using your WhatsApp account. What do they use your WhatsApp account for? They use your WhatsApp account for scamming. Alright, take note of that. They use it for scamming. So is promotion, but the promotion somehow just leads to a scam. Some of them use it for promoting a casino website, betting website, something like that, but it's all leading to a scam. So they use your WhatsApp account as a medium for sharing scams to people. That's why WhatsApp bans their account. Alright, so but they are paying you, and I guess that's what we want. But please know that for most of these sites, do not use your main account. Use an alternative WhatsApp account. Alright. So once you register on the WA2Club, link is in the description box. You take into this page. Please click on Start Tax. It has the same UI as the other. So click on here, the +1. Then select your country code. Select your country code and put in your number, then click on get verification code. You receive a WhatsApp notification, and then you just copy the code and paste it into the WhatsApp notification. Alright, it's simple. Then you see your WhatsApp account added here. Alright. Okay, so now that we have seen this, here's one of the cons about WA2Club. Number one, they send a lot of messages, a lot of scams to people. So WhatsApp bans your account because of that. Number two, their reward rate is actually not a bit good, but it's actually not a bit good. It's actually low, 29, when the usual is 30 naira. So this one is 29 naira, so it's quite low. Then the ban rate is majorly the issue with all of this platform, because if you keep on having bans from all this platform, then how do you make money with your WhatsApp? Alright. Then as you can see here, that's all of the cons. Then the pro is just that you can earn VIP. Most of the platforms have VIP, so you can earn VIP for actually getting people. That's if you are a creator and influencer. You can create content on it, put your link there in the description box. Then also you'll be able to earn money on top of it. Alright. Then let's have a live withdrawal on WA2Club. Okay, live withdrawal, account withdrawal. Don't select TRX, select Nigeria. Add your Nigerian bank account. Put in the bank account. Please use a microfinance bank like OPay, PalmPay, MoneyPoint, or Kuda. Okay. Click on confirm. Put in the receiving account number. Then put in the recipient name should be the name of the account. The name of your WA2Club account, not the bank account. Then put in your login person and click on confirm. Okay. Minimum withdrawal is 1,000 points. Okay. And withdrawal fee is 200 naira, so 2333. That is 600 naira. Click on share. Submitted successfully. So we'll just give it a moment to see if it drops. Okay. So while we are waiting, let me just invite you to please kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notification bell, and kindly share this video to your friends and family that do content like this. Alright. Okay, so it has dropped. As you can see here, the money has dropped, and it has dropped to 677 naira from CredPay Fintech Limited. Alright, so this shows you that this platform pays. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new content like this. I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye. Our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel is in the description box. Please go ahead and join those platforms. Alright, bye.